Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make black tea. This is a very healthy drink and an immunity booster. Make it a practice to drink a cup of this healthy black tea in the morning for best results. This helps in weight loss and improves your digestion. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a saucepan. Into this add 2 cups of water. Allow the water to heat up a little. Then to this add 1 tablespoon of sugar. You can substitute sugar with palm sugar candy or brown sugar. Then add a teaspoon of tea powder. You can go with your preferred tea brand. Let this boil for 2 minutes. The essence of the tea powder is nicely getting extracted. Now after 2 minutes, off the flame and add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Let this rest for 1 minute. Then strain the black tea and serve it nice and hot. You can drink this in empty stomach in the morning for best results. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity. So do try this black tea recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.